The sun pine tree was 650 years old when a big crack was found. Because it was dying of age, it was cut down, leaving only the trunk, and was replaced by the grandson. That is why there is only a 3-meter-high trunk inside this fence. By the way, the first Hagoromo no Matsu sunk in the sea when Mount Fuji last erupted in 1707. The eruption was so immense it was called the Great Eruption of Hoei Era. In front of the sun of the Hagoromo no Matsu, you can see small pine trees. These trees grew out from the seeds of the sun of the Hagoromo no Matsu. The small pine trees near the monument of Elaine are also its children. Can you guess how old these children trees are? They are actually 20 years old. It takes a couple hundred years to get in full length. The people who live in this area have lived along with the pine forest. In order to protect this forest, it is important to remove the dry leaves. It might be surprising, but pine trees don't like rich soil. In the old days, dried pine leaves were known as high-quality fuel, and so people would compete gathering these leaves. Now that fossil fuel and electricity is major, people have forgotten about the pine leaves. Even though people don't use pine leaves as fuel anymore, volunteers still gather them to preserve the pine forest.